What's that like?
Fine, but I don't think I'll be able to stop.
If you want to stop, that's it. Just put your foot down. Or put your foot on your brake. Can you set off on your own? Put your foot on the pedal.
I'm gonna have to practice starting off by my own, because as soon as I get to school, it'll be triathlon, I think.
Exactly. Push off then with your foot. That's it. That's it. So you want this pedal here. You want this. Oh, I'll tell you what. Use your right, because you're right-handed. Put your right foot on there.
Yeah.
Right, now then, push off with your right foot.
I can't do it.
Push again.